You will believe God is a woman. I don't wanna waste no time, yeah. You ain't got a one-track mind, yeah. Have it anyway.
Hey everyone, it's Cam and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I'm going to be doing a makeup recreation video. Today I'm going to be doing the requested God is a Woman by Ariana Grande makeup recreation. I don't have the exact makeup for the look, so my makeup is slightly different than what you might see others use. So yeah, but that's basically what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna try my best to recreate it, and I hope you like my little background for this video. I think I'm gonna do this more often with like the backgrounds. I just like readjusted it from where it usually is, and I think I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. So anyways, I already have all my like base makeup done. It's kind of okay because the main focus of this look is the eyes and the lips. So I think I'm gonna start out with lips actually. I'm gonna be using the color Teacup and Mercury by Lime Crime. And this is gonna be the purple obviously, and this is the blue. She does have like a little mixture of purple and blue and stuff like that in her whole look. I'm gonna be using this very nude color and just like apply it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and apply the purple to my lips, obviously. It like smells good, but it also smells like bad at the same time. Like it's like very like sweet, and it kind of makes me want to throw up. And I just literally said it smells good, but so I think it turned out pretty okay. It's obviously not the same type of purple she has, but what you're gonna do, you know. So now I'm just gonna apply this blue. I feel like this is pretty good. Okay, so now the lips are done. So now we're gonna go on to the eyes, which is gonna be a little bit of a process, but I'm just gonna prime them with my Urban Decay primer. I'm gonna go ahead and do, in the Huda Beauty palette, this color right here. Put it as like a base. Oh, it came out very strong. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this color and we're gonna put it on my eyes. I'm gonna line my eyes with this gold eye pencil right. Okay guys, so I actually went in with this palette and I took the gold color and I went just like in the same shape, and I added, so yeah, the other one just wasn't doing it for me. I needed something a bit darker because it wasn't so noticeable, but yeah, I just fixed it a little bit because it wasn't, but yeah, this is what I did. Also going to get the same gold color from this palette and put it under my eyes too. Yeah, I did this eye. I think it's pretty good, to be honest. This is like the best winged eyeliner I've ever done in my entire life. Now we're gonna do this eye. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So I just took some very white eyeshadow, and that's what I'm using. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this because this helped the eyeshadow kind of hold or show up better, I guess. Okay, I think this is like pretty decent, so you know, I'm just gonna leave it before I mess it up, and then apply this glitter. What I'm gonna do is, before I did the eyeliner, she has like a little bit of black under her eye, so I'm just gonna get some black eyeshadow and just put it right here. And be careful with this because it could go very wrong. Okay, so now I'm just gonna bring it out. Sis, that's pretty good. Honestly, this looks pretty freaking cute, to be honest. It could obviously be a lot better, but I'm gonna take this Hoola bronzer and we're just gonna like contour Now I'm just going to take this brush and blend it. So I think we're pretty good on bronzer. So now what we're going to do is just re-highlight and add a highlight to our inner corners with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Some goldish highlighter. And do that. And to highlight our nose a lot because I love that. Then go down to the bridge. Blend it. Then also do the eyebrows. Highlight under them. Okay, so we're gonna paint my face now. Also has some purple right here, so I'm gonna add some purple right there too. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I painted my face and a little bit of my neck, and I think it looks really good. I'm pretty proud of this, and I just took some pictures, so you're definitely gonna see some on my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like the best one you've probably seen, but I tried, and I hope that you guys liked the look because I think it's cute. So yeah, if you did, definitely leave a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!